Hello guys. Hello guys. What is the order book depth? The order book depth or market depth refer to a visualization of the currently open order in the order book. It usually puts buy order on one side and sell order on the other and display them cumulatively on a chart like this. This is our order. We put our order like this. Now the coin price 1.89k, like 9375. Now this start chart from peak point. This basic price 9375 and this going up like this. This is center point like 9456. This is between the 9475. Now again start depth. Now this going start depth going and 2.62k. Start point 1.89. This is our to the depth chart. This is very important for trading. Order book depth or BTC USDT market pair on Binance. In more general terms, the depth of the order book may also refer to the amount of liquidity that the order book can absorb. The deeper the market is, the more liquidity there is in the order book. In this sense, a market with more liquidity can absorb larger order without a considerable effects on the price. However, if the market is illiquid, large order may have a significant impact on the price. What is market order? A market order is an order to buy or sell at the best currently available market price. It's basically the fastest way to get in or out of market. When you are setting a market order, you shall basically saying, I don't like to execute this order right now at the best price I can get. You market order will keep filling order from the order book until the entire order is fully filled. This is why large trade or holes can have a single effect of the price. Your market order will keep filling order from the order book until the entire order is fully filled. This is where large trade or whales can have a significant impact on the price. When the use market order, a large market order can affect siphon liquidity from the order book. However, so let's go through when deciding slipping. Eager to learn more, check what is more depth. What is slipping trade? There is something you need to be aware of when it comes to market order. Slipping the way that market order is the best valuation. What is limit order? A limit order is an order to buy or sell an assets at a specific price or better. This price is called the limit price. Limit buy order will execute at the limit price or low, while limit sell order will execute at the limit price or higher. When you are setting a limit order, you will basically saying, I don't like execute this order at this specific price or better but never works. What is stop loss order? Now that we know what market and limit order are, limit take about stop loss order. A stop loss order is a type of limit or market order that only active when a certain price is reached. This price is called the stop price. The purpose of a stop price order is mainly to limit loss. Every trade need to have an involution point, which is a price level that you should define in advance. This is the level where you say that your initial idea was wrong, meaning that you should exit the market to prevent further loss. You saw the invaluation point is where you would typically put your stop loss order. How does a stop loss order work? As we shall mention that stop loss order can both a limit a market order. This is why these variation may also be referred to as stop limit and stop market order. The key thing to understand is that the stop loss only active when a certain price is reached. The stop price, when the stop price is reached, is active there a market or a limit order. You basically set the stop price as the figure for your market or limit order. However, there is one thing you should keep in mind. Now that limit order only filled at the limit price or better, but never rose. If you are using a stop limit order, you as you stop loss and the market crash violently, it may instantly move away from the limit price, leaving your order unfilled. In other words, the stop price would trigger your stop limit order, but the limit order would remain unfilled due to the sharp price drop. This is why stop market order are considered safe than stop limit order. They ensure that even under extreme market condition, you shall be guaranteed to exit the market once our invaluation point is reached. Eager to learn more? What is mark and taker? You become a mark when you place an order that does not immediately get filled but get added to the order book. Since your order adding liquidity to the order book, you shall make of liquidity. Limit order will typically execute as market order, but not in all cases. For example, it's said that place a limit buy order with a limit price that's considerably higher than the current market price. Since you are saying your order can execute at the limit price or better, your order will execute against the market price as it's lower than your limit price. Okay, thanks. Now we meet our next lecture with new ideas.